Today, we're reviewing the audio-technica R70X, the reference class aerodynamic driver series. The packaging is a minimalist, eco-friendly cardboard box. The overall design language carries over from the previous generation, while the model badge has migrated from the ear cup to the headband pivot, offering a clearer view of the driver assembly. The headband has switched from the previous air suspension system to a conventional sliding bracket with a head strap, resulting in a slightly tighter clamp force, or just because it's too new. Remarkably lightweight at just 199 grams. The R70X's treble leans slightly dark with a smooth overall roll-off and just a hint of restrained tightness. Detail resolution is average, string instruments lack some sharpness in imaging, and instrument separation is nothing to write home about. That said, the density is decent, delivering a smooth and pleasant listening experience. Extension is just okay, with the upper mids and treble feeling a bit held back, lacking airiness and harmonic sparkle. Overall, the highs are straightforward and forgiving, inoffensive enough for most genres, but hardly a standout feature. The R70Xa pushes mid and bass imaging forward, with larger vocal projection that can subtly overpower backing instruments in pop tracks. Mids offer decent resolution. Breaths and vibrato come through clearly, but average separation leaves complex arrangements muddy. Density is moderate, delivering a solid, straightforward texture for both vocals and lower mid instruments. Vocals strike a balance, sentient throat resonance, natural breathiness, but lacking chest weight. It adds no coloration to vocal timbres. Slight sibilance exists, but never grating, and high vocals are surprising. The R70X demonstrates slightly restrained bass quantity with pronounced roll-off in sub-bass regions. Its resolution remains average, presenting ill-defined instrumental outlines, particularly evident in how bass lines in background instrumentation exhibit oversized imaging, poor separation, and compromised layering. Bass density stays mediocre, delivering soft attacks and unconvincing percussive impact. Sub-bass extension underperforms, resulting in shallow kick drum throatiness, and reduced dynamic expression due to significant sub-bass attenuation. Combined with slightly sluggish decay and inflated mid-bass, the lower frequencies exhibit some muddiness while retaining decent atmospheric rendering. The R70Xa soundstage shows acceptable width, but unremarkable depth, presenting a moderate soundstage with average scale. Imaging precision reaches passable levels, though instrument separation remains notably subpar. Via BK4128 measurement data, we got the frequency response curve. Revised headband design increases clamping force, reducing sub-bass leakage compared to R70X, while still showing significant attenuation. Pronounced mid-bass reduction pushes most sonic images backwards with thinner note body. Treble boost enhances perceived brightness and analytical presentation. Overall, the R70Xa delivers better tonality than its predecessor, with improved separation between sonic images, more precise spatial positioning, wider soundstage expansion, and better three-frequency balance towards neutrality. However, the treble boost retains residual filled character with insufficient harmonic richness, making mediocre for solo string instrument appreciation. Notably, the mid-range thinning significantly reduces body in vocals, guitars, and pianos, sacrificing the original R70X's warm, substantial tonal foundation. The revised tuning ultimately aligns closer to the M50X's modern monitoring-oriented style. For me, the R70Xa is not an upgrade to the R70X, but rather an optimized iteration for professional monitoring, prioritizing analytical clarity and a tighter fit. In fact, for audiophiles, this revision disappoints. Comfort suffers, technical performance stagnates, and the predecessor's distinctive musicality vanishes. R70X owners need not consider this new version. Even for those seeking a neutral analytical tool, the Sennheiser HD490 Pro remains a superior recommendation, offering finer resolution, smoother treble, and greater tuning versatility.